India. Let's join us and welcome Keshav Bhajanka, who is joining us here on the broadcast, who is the Executive Director of CenturyPly. Good morning to you. Thank you very much for taking out your time. Firstly, how do you rate this budget? What exactly, when it comes to your expectations before the budget, has it now taken up to the expectation that you actually had from the budget? How would you rate it?
I think it is extremely well thought out and a comprehensive budget. I think that there has been a very good pragmatism about the budget, while at the same time it is focusing on the current requirements, which is to increase the consumption in the economy. And this change in tax slabs is going to help substantially. It is increasing the disposable income in the hands of consumers, and this is definitely going to lead to impetus in the economy.
So are you expecting more ease of doing business with the reforms that have been approached when it comes to, these expected? Is it expected, when it comes to further boosting Indian economy?
I think that the government for many years now and for many budgets has been focusing consistently on how to reduce red tape, on how to make things simpler for businesses. For instance, this year also there's a change in TDS regulations, and the government has been working on this year after year. So definitely I think that ease of doing business is improving, and it is going to continue to improve. And in the current budget as well, the Honorable Finance Minister has said that India needs to become a manufacturing hub for the world, and I think in order to do the same, all the necessary steps are being taken.
Well, big announcement, especially when it comes to encouraging startups that have also been made. Do you believe that this is an incentive for more startup businesses as well?
Yes, definitely. I think the government has focused a lot on the MSME sector and on the startup sector as well. So overall, this budget is going to lead to both short-term uptick and long-term growth for the country.
So do you think that this budget effectively showcases a balance between Make in India and incentives, especially when it comes to the FDIs?
Yes, definitely. I think the government is looking to ensure that regardless of whatever happens, regardless of external shocks, our economy is strong and our growth trajectory continues to be maintained. So I think that there is a focus on both Make in India and this private-public partnership as well. This is a step in the right direction. I think overall this is a budget that is going to lead to long-term growth for India as a whole.
All right. Mr. Bhajanka, thank you very much for taking out your time this morning and speaking to us. Of course, when it comes to the industry experts also expressing satisfaction with the union budget speech. Let's in the meantime shift forward.